This is Attorney Tim Crawford, and today we're going to talk to you about the process of avoiding guardianships. Well, first of all, we need to discuss what is a guardianship. Well, this is a probate court proceeding where we go into court and we ask the judge to appoint a guardian, a person that's going to make decisions for you because you did not plan ahead to avoid this. So the judge will appoint somebody. It could be a family member, but it could also be a total stranger that the judge knows, and he appoints the total stranger to be the guardian. This is the person that's going to make all the financial decisions, all the medical decisions for you. Wow, that's probably not what you want. It's expensive, it's time consuming, and it's ongoing expenses to pay for the person the judge selected to be your guardian. So, why don't we think about what do we have to do today so we can avoid the judge being involved? And the short answer is, this is a very simple process. You make sure that you've picked somebody to make a health care decision for you. And as you know, those forms are available at any area hospital, but they're also available on our website. By going to tpclaw.com, you will be able to access our website, and on it you will find lots of good information. But more importantly, right on the first page, the home page, you'll see a button that you can click on, and you'd be able to print out a healthcare power of attorney form. And then you, again, move over one button, and you'll see the ability to click on the button that allows you to print out a kit on how to complete your healthcare power of attorney form. Now, with that, signed by you in front of two witnesses, you will have a healthcare power of attorney. Now remember, make sure that when you select the person that you want to make medical decisions for you, that you discuss with them what are your wishes when you're sick. What would you decide if you could decide? You need to let your loved one that you've selected know that. And then what you'll generally do, if you follow the format of the form, you will pick a backup to the person you've selected, in case the person you selected is dead. So, you want to have a first choice and you want to have a backup, and the form is designed that way. Please don't make the mistake of naming two people to serve at the same time. That is barred by law, and it could make your document unusable. So simply follow the format that's on the state form. First choice, maybe a spouse. Second choice, maybe an adult child. But you can select whomever you want. That's your healthcare power of attorney form. Now, the next document that becomes very important is a financial power of attorney, where you pick somebody that can run your financial affairs. And you probably want to give that person lots of authority to do lots of things. And so we have developed a document in our office that we call the Level 3 Planning Type Financial Power of Attorney, because we wanted to do more than just give somebody authority to pay your bills, more authority than to sell your home. We want to have them have complete authority so that they can work with us and implement a plan that we may put together when you had your massive stroke at age 50 and you're now in a nursing home. Now, we hope that never happens to you, but that's why you should take action now, so that you have a very powerful Level 3 planning type financial power of attorney. Now, we know most of the people that watch this video will already have a financial power of attorney, and that's wonderful. But now you want one that's even more powerful, so that when you do get sick and you're in a nursing home and you need to do some planning to protect some of your assets, we can help you with that, but we need somebody who has specific authority to do what we recommend. And that's the type of stuff we put into our 20-page detailed level 3 planning type power of attorney. Now, there are other powers out there. There are other attorneys that draft powers of attorney. You can get one done at your bank. You can go to the library and get a form. You can go on the internet and get a form. But that's not going to get you a level 3 planning type power of attorney. So we strongly encourage you to contact our office and get that level 3 planning type power of attorney. With that document, we would be able to assist you with planning, but more importantly, you'll be able to stay out of probate court because the loved one you selected will be able to do whatever you would have been able to do. That's very important. Not to have that loved one restricted. You want that loved one to have flexibility. Now, who is that loved one? Many times the first choice is a spouse. The backup to that is child A. And you can have another backup even in case child A dies while you're still alive. That could be child B. Now, again, you get to select who you want to have to be your agent under your financial power of attorney. But by having both of those documents, the healthcare power of attorney and the level 3 planning type financial power of attorney, you'll be able to generally stay out of probate court. That will save the cost of doing it, the time, grief, and aggravation of doing it, many times in an extreme rush because somebody is ordering you to get a document signed and there's nobody with authority to sign it. So off to probate court you go to get appointed guardian. Or worse yet, a total stranger gets appointed guardian. Now, that'll be the person that can run your financial affairs and make your health care decisions. But if you take 10 minutes of your time, contact our office, you can have yourself a healthcare power of attorney form right off our website at tpclaw.com, and you can order through our office at a relatively low cost a document called the Level 3 Financial Power of Attorney. Now remember, as a parent, you need it. Each of your kids who are 18 and older need it. Even if they have no assets, they need it. Why? Because they may be required to sign a contract and their mind is gone from the auto accident, and as a result, they cannot sign the document. So, by having a level 3 planning type financial power of attorney prepared ahead of time, you save all this grief, bother, and aggravation. So, again, you can call our office if you'd like to have a free consultation to discuss this or other matters. We'd be glad to help you. You can simply do that by calling 262-634-6659. And remember, we have offices in the Milwaukee area as well as here in Racine, where we serve both Racine and Kenosha counties. Again, we thank you for your attention to this video. Have a good day.